as the nation celebrates 75 years of India being a constitutional democracy. The Republic Day Parade is a celebration of India's constitution that was adopted on the 26th of January in 1950. The birth of the Indian Republic and the installation of Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the first president were announced with a 21-gun salute shortly after 10:30 in the morning. India's military might and rich cultural heritage will be on display for the nation and the world to see on Kartavya Path. The President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, is the chief guest this Republic Day. Incidentally, President Sukarno of Indonesia was the chief guest at the first Republic Day Parade in 1950. The theme of the Republic Day Parade is Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas, India's golden era with civilizational heritage and modern development. There are 10,000 special invitees from different walks of life who will witness this spectacular parade as part of Jan Bhagidari. More than 5,000 artists will play traditional Indian musical instruments, from the mridangam to the shehnai, from dhol to tashe to nagade, and from bansuri to been. These powerful musical instruments will usher in the spectacular parade. Glimpses of India's military might and rich cultural heritage. This is a picture of India moving forward with pride, honor and strength. This is a time for celebration.
आगमन हो रहा है भारत के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री का आगमन हो चुका है.
The 76th Republic Day of the country.
राष्ट्रपति एवं हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी का स्वागत किया जाएगा.
And in a few hours from now, the Republic Day Parade will be showcased at Kartavya Path. India will see its pride. The world will see the power and formidable might of India. This time, the focus on Atmanirbhar Bharat or self-reliance in defense. On India Today, we are showing you glimpses of the parade before Republic Day and what will happen on Kartavya Path at 10 a.m. on the 26th of January 2025. Every Republic Day is special, but this time it's even more special. India is celebrating 76 years of being a republic. India has invited the President of Indonesia as the chief guest this year. Incidentally, on the first Republic Day in 1950, President Sukarno of Indonesia was invited as the first foreign guest on Republic Day. 75 years later, President Prabowo Subianto of Indonesia will be the chief guest on Kartavya Path, gracing the Republic Day parade. And on parade, 352-member marching and band contingent of Indonesia will also be a part of India's celebrations.
विश्व के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र के उत्सव पर कर्तव्य पथ की गरिमा को अपने कदमों से सम्मानित करता इंडोनेशिया के आर्मी, नेवी और एयरफोर्स का संयुक्त मार्चिंग दस्ता 152 सैन्य कर्मियों से बना TNI मृतिका तुंग गलिका यानी विविधता में एकता की भावना करता है। भारत और इंडोनेशिया के
The theme of the Republic Day Parade 2025 is Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas. There are 10,000 special invitees, including sarpanches, disaster relief workers, artisans, tribal beneficiaries, all a part of the Jan Bhagidari. The 90-minute-long parade on Kartavya Path will showcase India's military might and rich cultural heritage.
And next we have the tableau from the history of culture, displaying the magnificent yards of ancient Tamil string instruments.
There are 31 tableaus of various states, union territories and government departments this year. Each tableau will convey a message. This is also the first time that a joint tableau of the three armed forces will showcase strong and safe India as part of jointmanship. The contingent of the world's only active horse cavalry regiment, the 61st Cavalry Regiment, will also be a part of the parade. Led by Lieutenant Ahan Kumar. His father, Lieutenant General Bhavnish Kumar, will be the parade commander. This is the first time that a father-son duo are part of the same parade.
में आयोजित समारोह के अवसर पर